Yo! What's up guys, this is Geek God with another video, and today in this video, I am gonna show you how to install PUBG on your laptop or PC. So without further delay, let's make it happen. Open your web browser, copy-paste that link and click on download button. Download that file and install it. Right now, we have downloaded emulator to play game. Install emulator. Emulator is being installed. Please be patient for a while. I'm skipping all installation, as I don't want you to wait till it gets installed. It will take less than 2 minutes, I'm just cropping that big lag. Now, we have successfully installed emulator to play game. Now, click on start. Emulator is now downloading all the game files. In mobile version itself, game is almost 1.5 GB. I'm not sure how much is the size of files that are being downloaded, but with a download speed of almost 1 MB per second, it took 20 minutes to download all the files. Meanwhile, we will understand what an emulator is. An emulator is software that enables one computer system, called the host, to behave like another computer system, called the guest. An emulator typically enables the host system to run software or use peripheral devices designed for the guest system. For example, an easy understanding, I can say that emulator is Windows operating system and exe files are guests. I hope that is more clear. It will take a lot time to install, so I'm fast forwarding it. Now, it's downloading second set of files. To complete the entire installation process, it took less than 40 minutes for me. Looking at the duration of this video, you can understand how much time I saved for my valuable YouTubers. Now, let's quickly minimize this screen and check my Windows laptop's configuration. I'm using i3 processor with 6 GB of RAM. I don't have a graphics card and still I'm able to play it. Almost there, download is at 100%. Now, emulator is installing all the downloaded big files. Be patient for some more time. We are almost there. Setup is making final preparations for the launch. That's it. Installation process is complete. Now, click on play. And finally, we have successfully installed PUBG on laptop. It's just loading as like on a mobile phone. Let's see how this progress. We are in the game. You can just log in with your Facebook account, as it you on the phone. It's just a one-time login thing, I mean you don't have to enter the details every time. It's loading. It says a notice over here that, the people you will be playing with only will be grouped using emulators. But that's actually a false notice, I can pretty much confirm, because I played with my friend and he was playing on a mobile device, specifically, OnePlus 5T. Log in with your Facebook credentials and start playing it. Thank you. Now, let's see the gameplay. I have added a short video clip on, how gaming looks like from a laptop. Thanks for watching, hit subscribe if it was helpful. To understand how to play from laptop, watch the next video.